Hello everyone, this is Megavati, Department of Agriculture Engineering. In this PPT, we are going to discuss about fertilizer management, which is related to agricultural engineering. Fertilizer. Fertilizer is any organic or inorganic materials of natural or synthetic origin other than living materials that is added to a soil to supply one or more plant nutrition essentially to growth of plant. It providing micronutrition and macronutrition. Micronutrition. It consists of boron, chloride, copper, iron and zinc. Macronutrition. It consists of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium and sulfur. The methods of application of fertilizer: surface application, subsurface application, foliar spray. In subsurface, band placed along the row is the most commonly used method of surface application. It is an effective and efficient method for the application of nitrogen, since nitrates fertilizer move into the root zone with the downward momentum of water. Direct surface application is not suggested for applying phosphorus, potassium and other nutrients because they may get fixed on the exchange complex. In subsurface application, incorporation of the fertilizer into the soil by subsurface application is most effective means of applying nutrients that are fixed potassium and calcium etc. on the exchange complex or are slow to move into the soil solution. In subsurface application, fertilizer is incorporated into the soil prior to planting the nursery crop. In foliar application, for nursery plant, foliar application of the nutrients is very effective as compared to soil application because through foliar means nutrients are absorbed at a faster rate. Wastage of nutrients is very less in foliar application. For foliar application, the nutrients should be applied when there is sufficient foliage on the plant. The nutrition should either be applied in the morning or late evening hours. Top dressing. It is the application of fertilizer in standing crop. Nitrogen and micronutrition fertilizer are applying to the plant using in this method. Localized placement. In this technique, fertilizer are applied close to the seed or plants. This technique is very much economic and less quantity of fertilizer is required for the purpose of applying the nutrients. Contact placement. In this technique, seed and fertilizer are applied simultaneously at the time of sowing. To avoid salt injury, seed and fertilizer are applied at different depths. Band placement. In this technique, the fertilizer are applied in band. This is especially useful in widely spaced crop like fruit and plantation crop, in which by applying in band close to the root spread, the fertilizer saving is achieved. Row placement. It consists of placing the fertilizer along the row of crops. Fertilizer may be applied in one or both sides of the rows depending upon spread of the crop. This technique is suitable for application of fertilizer in vegetables crops. Thank you.